What's going on? What is up? What is up? Dude, super bullish, man. Super bullish. Just trying to get back to green. Dude, this fucking market's crazy. What up, Double O? What up? What up? Oh, I just sold out. This? Nah, it's a Bulenox account. I didn't even know I had it until yesterday. Yo, what up, Code? Yo, it is that fucking time. Boom! Oh, just gonna open my can. You could smell the greatness. What up, La Rosa? So I had chili for lunch. I had butternut squash chili that I made. And then that wasn't enough for me. So I also had yogurt with granola and some fruit. There you go, man. Go for it. Shot in the hot white stuff with it. What? What? What up, Tommy? Boom. Dude. This thing is just fucking cruising. This is what I wanted to see last night. Dude, I think we're going to go. I mean, this is, jeez. It's a good idea, man. Definitely a good idea. Missed this little pump. Dude, this is fucking crazy. The hot stuff? Trump decided to sell NVIDIA chips. Yeah, I mean, that's the word. I'm up a few thousand from 5 micros. Yeah, I believe that. I definitely believe that. Fucking crazy. I think Trump is pondering selling NVIDIA chips, and it's literally just to save the market. I think he's doing just to save the market, personally. There's not one part of me that thinks that he wants to actually do it. What up, NQ? Did I fuck this up? I did. I fucked that up. Stupid. Stupid on my part. That was stupid. Yeah, I mean, listen, it's going to pump, it's not just about them selling the chips. It's about the relationship the U.S. has with China. We sell them chips. The tariff shit is probably more on the back burner. That's how you got to look at it. You're still in this channel, right? You could see the channel. I mean, I do think we make our way back up to the top side of this channel, and then we probably come back, and I would be following this channel until we break it to the upside or, a full-on break to the down. It's massive if you look at it. But I think at some point we break through it. My final destination was like 23,000 area. You got to remember, though, there's no real news pushing this down. Right? What's the news? What up, AD? Oh, it's well past. I mean, you're not holding shit. You just kind of reference point. Doesn't mean you got to go to the top side. You could just reject here and go back down to the bottom of the channel, and we can just, I think I would like to see us eventually at 23,000, but this pump into the end of the day is helping me out personally. And we shall see. If we can get a little bit higher, a couple more things come up. That would help out. Let me see something, actually. The fuck? thinking. I'll just let it ride. I'll just let it ride. Let it ride. I mean, the problem with the AI is, tell me why the bubble's going to pop right now. It's not. Like, the companies are producing the numbers. You know, numbers are growing. The companies are growing. Like, you know what stops it? When somebody reports bad earnings. The first crack to me was the Oracle shit, to be honest. You know, maybe next earnings cycle, I'd be worried. I'd be worried next earnings cycle. What up, son? Son of Wall Street. I don't know what your name was before they did the before they changed this, to be honest. Everyone's new to me now, for the most part, unless your name is actually in it. I mean, their earnings are up. They reported record earnings in a lot of areas. I mean, it's not going to go anywhere. I just don't see it going anywhere. I think there's got to be some significant things that happen, and the only way that happens is something with China, or just something with, you know, earnings are just bad. I ended up locking a payout in today, which is always good. Previous week low is at 624. What are the odds that we get up there? Well, they were talking about that companies are spending, like, argument's sake, say they spent $100 million. They're not getting $100 million worth of benefits. That's come out recently. I don't, you know, it is what it is, obviously. I personally think that we're not going to go down yet. I will say it's interesting how there's no news and we're down a lot. Where I guess the Fed guy said that there's going to be no rate cuts. He said some stupid shit in the meeting. I think that's what started all this. Dickface had to say something. I'm debating. This is right above the 50. Just a fucking quickie. Just wanted a little quickie, you know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? I'd like to put like $500 in this account by the end of the day. Especially it's this account. You need $3,600 for a freaking payout. Does anybody use AI at work for anything besides making music in the Cove channel? Does anybody actually use it? I could see us hitting all-time highs next month. Watch, this is just hey, man, I hope so. I hope we hit all-time highs. Oh, software development does. Yeah, you're right with that. You're definitely right with that shit. Oh, man, this thing. Yo, futures. Trading is your full-time job. Do you trade things that are not futures? Are you trading stocks and options and things like that? What else are you what else are you trading over there? Yeah, I know a lot of people use Chat GPT to code, what do you call it? Indicators. That and Claude. They were talking about Claude for a little bit. Claude Van Damme, whatever AI that is. Woo! Shit's wild. Somebody, I'd never even heard of Claude, and I get a bunch of people using it. What up, Fred? Claude is better for coding for sure. Yeah, I don't even know what it is. I'm on the out. I need to be on the in. Dude, Claude Van Damme came out and said, dude, he said some shit that like he was supposed to do some movie back in the day and like wanted more money. And then I don't know, something happened and now he wishes he didn't ask for more money. That was the word that I heard last of Van Damme. Yeah, that was the last I heard about him. He was supposed to do man, did I get more Apex accounts? I did. I passed one today. And I blew some playing around with some shit. I played around last night and blew some mostly while we were playing poker. Poker got me. You guys forced me to do stuff during poker. Steve trades, bro. I smoked 5 PA Apex and 3 TPT fundeds this morning. Yo, dude, man, that sucks. That fucking sucks, man. When giveaway winner announced, it's going to be random, and you got to be on the stream when I do it. It's going to be very random. Don't you want to hang out, be part of the community? Yeah, I bet. I bet Zabak. I would be too. Bro, his throat is all bruised up from fucking Funded Next. He was fucking hardcore on them. Hey, man, now you know. Now you know. Yo, when someone goes that hard, you know, got to watch yourself. Like, I don't know. I mean, could have been some other deal. He'll be next on Aquaman Futures. Dude. Like, listen, you like majority of the time, like if you get like codes, that means you're in touch with like the thing or whoever. But like He had codes, which means he's talking to these guys. I don't know, man. I don't fucking trust it. When somebody's so hard on one firm, feels like you're getting paid. Just feels that way. Yo, BK. BK getting a payout too. BK getting a payout, and he passed another My Funded Futures account. Boing.
We did it. We did it, Joe.
Bro. I don't know why people just can't say, hey, man, this is what's good about the firm. This is what's bad about the firm. I never understood that. Why you just can't come out and say, hey, this is what's good. This is what's bad. You know, there's good things and bad things about all the firms. Can't just, can't just slob on one knob. Penguin killer. Bro, we are definitely doing penguins for now on in here. I'm all in on penguins. I'm all in on penguins, by the way. Bro, that race was fucking hysterical. I'm loving it. I'm all in on penguins. Dude, it didn't even go anywhere. It went like nowhere. It was amazing. I ran one just to watch it again by myself. I was like, I gotta watch this by myself. It's that good. Dude, this shit's just fucking going down. Yeah, you could have past evals waiting. Do they renew? It's a good question. I am unsure if they renew. Most of the time they don't, to be honest. Bulenox is God for rules. I'm not sure. Do you like their rules? They got a lot of rules. Man, I should have just take my fucking money, right? Should have just taken the 100. I would only buy Elite Trader accounts when they do Beat the Beast. I wouldn't buy them any other fucking time. Only when I beat the Beast. Take the money and just fucking run. Dude, you ain't kidding, man. Oh, Elite Trader Funding does Beat the Beast. That's the only time. When we'll give... Yeah, I told you. It's going to be a surprise, man. It's a surprise. Surprise, dude. Got to be on the stream. It'll be a surprise when I do it. But I'm giving away knowledge all day. Yo, later, man. Dude, I just gave away knowledge before. Were you around? Dude, this is going to come down. This is going to be a fucking... I don't even know what fucking number that is. Where is this? 400? Market don't go sideways because I need cash now. Come on, break this one down so I can get right. So I can get right there. Bro, I just gave away knowledge. Where'd that guy go? That was a good fucking trade. That was a good trade. Not gonna lie. That was a good one. I'm basically... Bulenox is weird. So if you do a lot in one day, every day has to be like 20. It has to be a certain percent of it. So I don't want to do a monster day, to be honest with you. I think I'm going to be done. I think I might be done with it. Crazy Chris. I have 3 Bulenox with 1 pending. That's solid. What up, Richard? Richard, you ever get your $150 you needed? Dude, I got these Apex accounts that have like no fucking drawdown left. All right, you ready? Watch this shit. Watch this one. This one has no drawdown, right? No, that one's wait. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong thing. This has $215 of drawdown, right? Let's see what happens. $215 of drawdown. Oh, baby. Now I got 355. Let me go to one of these other ones. Oh, this says $400. Dude, all these accounts have like no fucking drawdown left. All right, let's go. This one's all in. This one's all in. We're just gonna watch this. We're gonna watch this one. Just passed. Boom. Done with Bulenox? Yeah, I'm up $630. I will cover right here for some gains. I'm all in. I'm all in. Well, the account has no drawdown, Josh. If I went in with minis, it would blow in 2 seconds. You can't. There's $300 of drawdown. 10 minis, it'd be over, and it'd be over. Come on. Yo, I accidentally made $4,000 in a I accidentally made $4,000 in a funded account today that has a 30% consistency rule. I meant to see if I can lose some money in it, to be honest with you. I should lose like $1,000. Yeah, I got to lose like $1,000 in it. That's pretty good, Richard. That's real good. No! Oh, my drawdown. I was almost hit. Oh, man. No! Monica! So, yeah, I got trying to look at what the account is. 29. Just want to make sure it tells me like it doesn't tell you oh, here it is. Dude, this doesn't auto liquidate. Oh, yeah, it is end of day. Okay. So I got is this the right fucking account? Oh yeah, I just lost fucking some money right there. I lost enough. I just lost $2,000 to bring it where I could possibly get a fucking payout. That was easy. So fucking easy. Shutting Quant Tower off. Yo, Richard, you could do that.
Order rejected. Order rejected.
What? Oh, no. Dude, I'm going to bring these both back. I'm going to bring them both back, baby. We're going to build back better right now. Come on. Oh yeah, I'm in all these fucking accounts now. This is going to be really good or really bad. Well, I mean the accounts are kind of smoked anyways, so what's the worst that could happen? But man, this hits 409, all these accounts. Come on. Just drop it 40 fucking points. Come on. Come on. Come on. Do it. No. 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 Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Zabak up? No, down. Down. We want down. Up. Come on, baby. No. Fuck that green candle. Down. Come on, man. I'm hanging. Yo, what up, helpful? Come on. Yo, you got that free gravy, baby. Yo. Helpful. I secured my first trade day payouts and went and bought 3 more evals. Oh, you're expanding the collection of accounts. There you go. Scaling up. By the way, anybody that emailed me yesterday or today, I will get back to you this weekend. I've been busy. My kid's in the play, and I got a bunch of shit going on last 2 nights. I love TPT. I can't do those 30% evals on trade day, to be honest with you. Yo, what up, Fiber? You know what the trailing stops once you make $2,000, right? You make $2,000, the trailing stops. No more trailing. Getting that double dildo drawdown is rough. Take profit traders end of day until you get funded. Once you get funded, that's the only part that's trailing. You just got to get through the $2,000. I can't stand the fact that I have to trade for real for 4 days. If trade day went to 2 days, it would be so much better. Like 50% consistency. That's my biggest problem with them. Smooth operator. Do you just go for the full thing in one shot on TPT funded? No, I do not. I do base hits. I basically take profit, so there is no drawdown. So I'll go for like, 150, 150, $200. So there's no drawdown. So when I take a loss, the drawdown isn't big. I still have drawdown. But they don't. So in theory, you have to trade 4 days for real because you need 30%, 30%, 30%, and then 10%. In reality, you're probably doing 25, 25, 25, 25. So you got to trade for real for 4 days. It's just not what I want to do with evals, personally. Negative, it doesn't have to be. You're just moving up your stop as it goes, so you don't let it move around that much. I mean, that's all you're doing is letting it. Boom. There's no drawdown in these accounts as it is. Just do it. Start with a clean slate on fucking Monday. I trade micros with TPT pros during the buffer phase. Yeah, I mean, that's what you got to do for the most part. The ding. Watch it drop now. Dude, that would just tell me how fucking. Watch it drop now. What a piece of shit that it'd go now. Oh, I know. Luckily, that wasn't anything like good. This one I'm going to be requesting tonight. Dude, that's crazy. Bro, no way. No fucking way. So crazy. I would just trail because if you trail, you can't get stuck. You know what I'm saying? I would trail personally. Apex has trailing on funding until you're over the buffer. Once you're over the buffer, it's just a static account. You know, everything about the majority of the companies is you got to get over. The one that I like the best is probably My Funded Futures. They have no consistency rule on funded, and they got 50. It's kind of like TPT. But unfunded, you could take out before you get over 52,000. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, they have monthly subscription plans. I would wait until they have Beat the Beast. They should have Beat the Beast come up soon. They're probably going to do Beat the Beast soon. Oh. Do you mean big discounts? Yo, so Beat the Beast. Apex is still doing $40 activation. Everyone's going to be doing big discounts next week. Black Friday is coming up. Hello from the hospital. Just came in to like the video. Hope everyone had a good... Dude, that's awesome, Ellie. That's awesome. Hope it continues going good, man. You know? Hope everything continues to still progress, you know? Nah, they do a Beat the Beast. So they'll do something like all you need is $2,000 in any size account and you'll pass. I wouldn't get regular accounts with them. I went into it knowing that it was not the best firm, to be honest with you. I've always gotten paid from them. I've taken a bunch of money from them. Yeah, like that's when I would do it like that. You got to get $500 in an account and then you go funded. Yeah. What the fuck? Ray? Yo, later, Ellie. Yo, we might do what do you call it? We might do poker. Oh, look, it's going to fucking drop. I got wicked out right here. I got wicked out right there. Watch it drop now. Dude, this is just bad. Oh, it just died. It just stopped. So we have options expiration today. You're probably going to get a run one way or the other. Oh, thinking about poker next week. Thinking about maybe a little poker next week. Let me see. What else can we get? What else can we get going on? A little poker. Trade day. Oh, I think I got some trade day accounts. Do I? No. Nope. I'm just looking to see if I have anything I need to freaking trade by the end of the day. Why? Just looking. Dude, look at this shit. I got wicked out right on this fucking candle. Unfucking believable. That's unfucking believable that I got literally wicked out at the top. Are you kidding? Look at that shit. Look, I'd be in the green. I'd be in the green. Bro. Are you fucking kidding me? All right, I'm going to trade this one over here. I'll bring it back. Let's see. Get it off my laptop. Fucking playing around with it. See if I could pass this thing or get it halfway. I got to get it halfway. Yo, no drawdown. I still think it goes lower. I'm going to turn this around before the end of the day. Come on! Fucking dump. Fucking dump. Dump it. Bro, it didn't even hit me. Dude, it didn't even fucking hit me, which is the craziest part about that. It didn't even hit my fucking stop. Now I'm just going to hold. I guess you can't put it anywhere near it because it will just fucking take it out. Push it. Push it. Starting to get oversold on the one here. I took that 185. Just stacking some gains in this account. Dude, if I didn't get fucking wicked out, all those accounts would be up $300 right now, $400. Good afternoon, Libby. Boom, 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 boom. Day 3 and day 4. That's what I hate about it. You got to trade for real you got to trade for real for 4 days. You know, you're literally trading for real for 4 days. What's up, Pete? I wonder where they close this shit. Boom, 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 boom. I'm looking at this shit. Dude, this thing's just fucking unloading now. Yo, all those accounts would have been up $800. $800. That's freaking wild. You need another $48 to pass? You could do that. That's easy. Yo, this is all because I got wicked out. All because I got wicked out. Funded futures networks. I'll probably skip on that one, to be honest with you. Sounds great. I hope it works for you, to be honest. I'm just probably not going to get an account there. Yeah. I mean, just one of those things. Yo, Richard. Richard just went fucking in, was like, fuck it. I need $48. That's exactly what just happened. You don't need like a lot of different places. Like there's so many good places to go and use that you just don't need you just don't need the plate. You just don't need it. That's how I look at it, to be honest with you. Like, unless the deal was so crazy that like it's just so wild, I have to do it. You know, I'm probably not just gonna do it to do it. The Pegasus flyer. Welcome to the stream. Holy shit. This is my brand new funded account. Oh, no, that's... Wait, what? Wait. Yo, I traded this last night. That's not a funded account. Wait. Dude, I thought I was trading a funded account last night. Was that this one, or did I trade another one? These are all evals. My week's been good. The whole month's been good. I've taken a lot of fucking payouts this month. A lot of payouts this month. Oh, my eyeballs hurt, though. My eyeballs hurt from watching the screen so much. Dude, this is ripping this fucking thing. Holy shit. Look at that. Oh, baby. Dude, fucking wild. That is literally 100 points in 4 minutes. Bro. Premature biolation. Yeah. Shit's wild. Bro, I didn't get a chance to watch Landman last night. I didn't get a chance to watch it. I got to I will be watching Landman. Dude, I got my kids play tonight and tomorrow. So I don't know. What up, Hydro? My high because I'm tired of winning. Dude, there's been a lot of winning going on, except for pretty much yesterday. But yeah, things are going good. I'm just looking to see I'm just kind of looking to see what's around, what's out there. Puts, calls. I'm just seeing what I got, what's expiring. These puts are expiring today. So I'm going to write some fucking Oscars. Just shit's getting cheaper and cheaper because they don't. That's crazy. That's crazy how cheap Oscar's getting on the option side. The Bikini Cafe is amazing. I mean, let's be real. If that was here, it would be crushing it. It would be crushing it. Everybody would be buying from the Bikini Cafe. Pretty much everybody would be buying from the Bikini Cafe. I'm just looking to see what happens if you want to close this shit. I'll just wait till next week on that. Some of this shit I'll wait till next week. I'm just kind of looking to see like what I have closing that's not going to pay me, and like not going to pay me, that's full going to pay me, and I just write it. APLD. We'll just go next week. Oh, did anybody have a big lag on Apex? Nah. Are you talking about Rhythmic? Rhythmic's been whack. Rhythmic has not been working at all at open or anything. Yeah, Rhythmic has I run through Quant Tower. There's a massive delay through Quant Tower every morning. I hit the open for $4,000 in a funded account today because my copy trader stopped working. I was using TradeSync this morning. By the way, if you use TradeSync or TradeSync, I think it's TradeSync, bro, you better watch your butt. Dude, it did some crazy shit that the lead account made $150 and the one that I was not the lead account, one of the followers made $4,000. So watch your freaking accounts. If it went the other way, it would have blown my account. Yeah, I'm probably not going to this Speedo Cafe. Just saying. You just blew your account? That sucks. Oh my God. I'm trying to follow this shit down. I don't want to take any losses, is what I don't want to do. Who got blown by? Yo, you see that image I put in the Discord of Wendy's? That Wendy's shit? Yeah, I think it was funny. Yeah, I basically broke even. Yo, last 15 minutes of options expiration could be very interesting here. Add all the way down, fade away. What, you think it's going to just keep going down? Hydro? Yo, MOC. What the fuck? It's cold as shit out. 24K on the way? What are you? Everybody's bearish in this chat? Let's see if I can get a little Scalpy McScalperson here. We'll go again. We'll go again. I was up $200 fucking and just it's moving around so much you can't even hit the freaking button. I'm moving up to the bottom of this can. I'm just going to let it move. Push. Push. There we go. There we go. I'm just working this account. It's looking ditty. Dude, I don't know, man. I have a feeling they're just going to fucking run this. Wait, so if you pull this stop into where it currently is, it sells? Yeah. Yep. Why? You never moved that. Well, I released my finger off the button. You know, I take my finger off the button. You know, it's not like I don't do anything. But yeah. You should do tips like that after the market close. You guys don't ask questions. What do you want me to just give you guys just the tip? Is that what you're looking for? I make videos about how to use these platforms. No one watches them. I've done must know shit about Tradeify, Project X, Quant Tower, Ninja Trader, all like little things people. I do that almost every day on the stream. I move the thing. You're literally doing market buy and sell like a tard? Yeah. All right. I'll make a Tradeify video for you this weekend. Must knows about Tradeify. I'll put it out this weekend. It'll be called 5 Just the Tips About Tradeify when trading prop firms. So Ray, what I think happened was Topstep owns them. Topstep wants everybody to use it. So you're like, oh, Project X is good. And then they pull it and say, okay, you guys like that? Well, now you got to use it at Topstep, at the most expensive prop firm that there is. That's what they did it as a marketing thing. That's what Topstep did as a marketing thing. Get you fucking hooked on it. liking it, and then if you want to use it, you have to go to them. Good thing I hate it. Should we make that into a song? Just the tip. Dude, the real solution is just use Tradeify. Tradeify's fine. What did Project X give you that you can't get with Tradeify? Yo, I got this fucking lockout feature. Oh, this is the best. Use the lockout feature. Like, dude, honestly, if you can't just fucking stop trading by yourself and just shut it off, you're not going to make it long term. Hate to break it to you. You just, if you can't fucking walk away from the computer because you're so addicted to trading, you're not going to make it long term. So when you see him on Twitter being like, oh, the fucking lockout feature's the best. Oh, lockout feature. Oh, you're fucking, you're an idiot. Talking about like, bro, just stop. Hit the button and get off. If you can't do that, mentally, you're not ready to make serious money. That's the truth. So they can tout this lockout feature like it's being the best feature in the world. It's not. It's not. Honestly, you should be making your decisions based on TradingView because that has all the scripts, all the cool shit, all the stuff that works. And you're just kind of hitting the button on Tradeify. Nothing compares, has all these scripts. Dude, I can't believe I got freaking wicked out of this shit. Topstep's pullout feature. I don't trade on TradingView because the execution sucks. Honestly, when I trade the open, Quant Tower was the best, but now it's delayed. So now I use Tradeivate, and obviously that's fucked because I made $4,000 today, which should not have happened. So I can't believe I was short and they wicked me. Look at this shit. Did I still have it up? Yo, look where I got sold out at. Look at that shit. Yo, the sim market makers are in the chat. They saw my order. Dude, I could have easily made back all that money in those accounts. The sim market makers got me. Crazy. So fucking stupid. Just making my money back. shit's wild. Is this even VWAP? Yo, it's not even VWAP. Yo, it's the top of the orb right here? I didn't know that. There you go. All right. I got my, I'm going to bring this up real fast. Yo, I'm watching for, I'm going to take the first inversion to the back up to the upside, by the way. NQ19 WAP. Yeah, WAP is all the way down here. Dude, I cannot believe that that just happened to me. Yo, they're going to bring it. What up, Brutal? I'm watching, waiting. Come on. Nah. Yeah, $40 activation on all account sizes for Apex. They're going to run this shit right into close. I'm all in. I'm all in. Nope. I got $500 of drawdown left. I am going to go all in, though. Once it starts going, it's going to go. If they give this candle up, I'm going to go south. I'm just going to start Monday fresh. I hate working accounts that are fucking down because you can only do $1,500 a day. So I got to do so many extra. I got to do like an extra day or two in here. It's just not worth it to me. So if I blow it, I blow it. Let's see if they bring it up. If they don't bring it up, I get smoked. I get smoked. What sucks is usually at the end of the day, it sells off the last 20 minutes, but come on. Push it. Push it. Get one big fucking short squeeze here. Are we short squeezing or what? All right. I can be down $700. That's not terrible. Should I go back in? Should I go back in? 3 cons? I'm not. I'm going to let it rest. I'm going to let it rest. Why risk it? Why risk it for the biscuit? It just markets out, and it just literally markets out. So you're not going to get the best exit, obviously. You're just going to mark it out. Which I guess is not, I don't know if that's great. It's probably not what you know, I don't know if it's necessarily what you want to be doing, you know, mark it out like that, but it works for me when I just try to get out of a position, you know. So that's how I look at it. It works for me. I use it, and it is what it is, right? Yeah, I mean, I'll just look and be like, all right, I'm out, you know, whatever it is, I'm out. Man, my eyes are freaking burning. Burning. Boom, 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 boom. I'm only green on one account today? No. No. I passed this Apex account. I locked in a $700 payout in Apex. This is a funded account. I'm up $624 in. I'm up in 2 different my funded future accounts I have on Volumetrica. I'm up in a Lucid funded account, $300. I'm up $7,274 in my personal account today, which is just chipping away at what happened yesterday. I'm up. I don't know if I'm up fucking. The payouts are where it's at, right? So $700 of payouts is like 20 evals, right? So, hey, I just took a big loss on TPT. Set myself way back. What? You were up. I was up today too. Don't know why I was tempted to get back in. What? Especially on a Friday. By the way, here's a good rule for everybody. If you're up and it's fucking Friday and it's like 2 o'clock or on, just stop. Just stop. You can come hang out. Just don't trade. You don't want to ruin your weekend. We do have Ball Sack Friday. That's all you can do, Marie, is just keep going. Shoot, I'll be the first person to tell you to stop on a Friday, man. You know. Any accounts I get up, I usually swap. I'll usually swap off because it's just I just don't want to ruin my weekend. To be, just to be honest, I try to just chill out and you know. Oh, you didn't need the lockout feature. I need the lockout feature. Just don't trade. See, it's super easy. Super easy. Man. Dude, Ninja Trader's fucking wild. Charts closed. Oh, shit. I got a bunch of stuff I want to get done this weekend. I want to back test some things. No! Marie, that's the worst time. That's how they get you. That's how they get you. So close. Yeah. No! That sucks. Been there. Definitely been there. Where I'm like, oh, I'm just gonna do one more. One more. I'm gonna get water and then we're gonna run the Ducks. And we got Ball Sack Friday coming. What the fuck? I don't know what's going on here. Yo, hold on one second. I gotta open the door also. Hi-hoo! All right. Let's do this thing. Fuck. Let's do the business. Oh shit. Oh shit. Dude, fucking, my kid just slammed her finger in the door fast. All right. All right, let me do this. I got to go help her out. She's got ice. All right, we're going to do this. Dude, it's so stupid how they do this now. I don't even have time to do this, so it is what it is. I'll just leave it. If you're new, gotta subscribe below. We're gonna run a couple of these, and we're gonna see what happens. Dude, I'll be out in 2 seconds. Believe me. I already set her up. It's not. She can bend it and everything else. I checked before I got back on. Boom. Quack, quack. Boom, 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 boom. Dude, I can't believe how that much they fucking dumped it in the day. That's just options expiring. So next week and the following week, you're gonna see what's really going on here. Where's my duck? Email me. Have you seen my email? Have you seen my baseball? Have you seen my baseball? Dude, I got a bunch of back testing going on this weekend. That I can tell you. And forward testing. I got a whole lot of stuff going on this week. I'm going to do, so if you don't know, you can do sim accounts in NinjaTrader. And you basically set up sim accounts so you could trade, you could do whatever you want. And the sim accounts will trade just like your prop firm accounts do. And then you'll see if it's good or not. And you let it go for, you could trade them as long as you want. And you could test everything out. And then you could see your results. And then you could see if it's for real. Even after you back test and know it's good, you could forward test. So just throwing it out there if you didn't know. If you don't know, now you know. Ball sack Fridays, baby. Dude, I can't find the stream. I don't know where the stream went. Oh, there we go. By the way, I tried the new crypto prop firm. No, I have no reason to be honest with you. You could trade crypto. I could take $100 of real money and buy $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. So it doesn't, I don't need a prop firm. You can use $40 and buy $400 worth of Bitcoin. I don't know. I personally don't need it for crypto. It's not something that I think it's good. I just don't. This weekend I'm going to trade crypto in the Discord. If you trade, I'll put my trades in the Discord. I use Mexi, MEXC. Thanks, Fiber. All right, my kid's finger's messed up, so I'm gonna go make sure. Actually, I made sure everything's all right, but I'm gonna go hang out with her for a second. So I'm getting off. If you haven't, subscribe below. I'll see you in the Discord, and let's go see some freaking Black Friday deals this weekend. All right, peace.